All from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Nissan JUKE here on a 2014 plate. I just did a position lamp on this as well, so there will be a video for that one. Also doing the registration lamp on this one. Both aren't working. As you can see, the lights are on, but if you look on the top there, the bulbs aren't working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the bulbs. Just before I do that, I'm going to turn the lights off. Right, to do this, it is a very simple procedure. You need slightly stronger fingers. If no, then get a flat screwdriver, wedge it in there and then push. All you then do is push the lens this way and then pull it out towards you. As you can see now there, it's coming out, and then you gently pull the whole thing out. Here we go. It's the whole thing out. So you see what I just did there? So it was pushed, this was pushed in like this, and then it goes in straight. So to do the bulb, again, it's a simple procedure. You twist it to your left, you get the whole thing out. Now basically, this is the bulb that needs replacing. Again, it's a 501 bulb. You can find a link for it in description. And if you did like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. I'm going to change the bulb now. Get the new one in there, please. So there's a one way the bulb would go as well. Once it goes in, that's it, it slots in. Perfect. And you can see in there as well, that's where the two locators are. Just there's one there, and then there'll be one on the other side. So I'm going to slot this in and then turn that to my right. There we go, that's done. All I now do is line it up. So this bit there slots in first, like this, and then you push in. That's it. Can you check the lights for me, please? Just make sure it's working. That's it. That's lovely. This one's still not working. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to get the other one done. It's an exact same procedure. So if you didn't want that done as well, you could do it exactly the same way. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.